guys? It's your boy Mike here, back again with another POV video. And I'm not gonna get too much talking right now. I want to get straight into the video, but I want to thank you guys a lot for the love and support that you guys have shown on the channel. We have passed 900 subs. We are literally almost there to 1,000. Guys, I'm just truly grateful. Honestly, I honestly don't know what to say. Like, the growth of this channel has it's exceeded my expectations of what I expected it to be up until now, and none of that would have been possible if it wasn't for you guys liking this video, subscribing, but most importantly commenting on the videos I've been making, because your comments, guys, has been the real reason of why I've learned to mature more as a content creator, and not just as a photographer but just as a creator in general. So guys, I'm truly thankful for all of you. I'm truly thankful and blessed that you guys have showed me so much love to this channel, and I have so much great things coming in the future that I will disclose in the next couple weeks. But yeah, we're gonna get into this next POV right now. It's basically a part 2 of us going underground in New York City subways. So if you're looking forward to that, guys, make sure you hit like that. Blah. So if you're looking forward to that, guys, make sure you guys like the video down below, comment any favorite of your photos that you will see in this video, and yeah, I'm gonna see you out there. Alright guys, and that's going to be the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button down below. Comment any of your favorite photos in this POV video, as well as let me know down in the comments how you guys feel about the new structure, layout, editing of this video. I'm curious to know. I am making a lot of improvements, not just on my channel, but also the videos that I post, because I just don't want to just go out, do a POV, take pictures, edit it, post it, and just call it a day. No, that's not what I want to do here. I want to make sure I'm telling a story in these POVs, so it all comes together. You know, yeah. So I love content creation. I love doing this, and literally from all my day one subscribers, you guys know the growth of this channel. Like from day one, from my very first POV up until now, you guys have seen the growth of the channel. And it also has a lot to do with you guys commenting down below, because I do read your comments, and your comments have really helped me improve myself as a content creator. So for that, guys, I thank you. But with all that being said, the next POV we'll be doing is going to be with the Canon M50. Yes, I'm giving the Sony a break for a little bit, and we're going back to the Canon M50. This is going to be for my OG subscribers who have subscribed to this channel since day one, who has watched me during my Canon M50 days. Yeah, we're gonna go out and create some miracles with the Canon M50. So if you guys are excited for that, make sure you subscribe down to the channel if you haven't already. Comment down below once again any of your favorite photos and the layout of the video. And until next time, just remember just to be yourself and just create. I'm Mike. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.